Hello, all of you. Now, do you know what is atomic number and what is mass number? Atomic number is shown or represented by the symbol Z, which means the number of protons present in an atom. This is atomic number. Now, if the atom is electrically neutral, then the number of proton will be equal to the number of electron. When will it be? If it is electrically neutral, that means it is not charged entity. So if it is electrically neutral, then the atom will have same number of protons and electrons. Next, what is mass number? Now, mass number means what? Mass number means it is the total number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus. That is total nucleons present in the nucleus. So, mass number is denoted by the symbol capital A, which is total nucleons present in the nucleus of an atom. And that is P plus N, which is equal to A. That is mass number. Now, if I say the number of proton is Z, then I will say Z plus N is equal to A, which is mass number. So, how can we find out number of neutron? Number of neutron is the difference between mass number and atomic number. This is how you can find the number of neutrons. Okay. So this is the concept. Atomic number, mass number, finding number of neutron. I'll tell you another thing. Do we know what are ions? Ions are charged entities. They are all charged entities. Now, when I say charged entities, it can be positive charge as well as negative charge. So, ions can be cations as well as anions. Cations means positively charged ions and anion means negatively charged ions, right? Now, how are positively charged ions formed? Suppose A is a neutral atom. Now, if A loses electron, suppose it loses electron, then it will form one positive charge above it. Why? Because previously in the neutral atom, the number of proton and the number of electron were equal. But now you can see that the number of proton has become greater than the number of electron. And how much greater? It has lost one electron. So it is one extra. So if I say that A loses n number of electrons, so minus Ne. So what will be the charge over A? What will be the charge over A? I think most of you have got it correct. It is N plus. Why? Because n number of electrons are lost. As many electrons are lost, that is the charge above the atom when it becomes a cation. Right? So now you can see these are cations. What are anions? Anions are formed by the gain of electrons. Suppose this is the neutral atom where it was number of proton is equal to number of electron. Now it has gained one electron extra. After gaining an electron, it becomes one extra electron, and so now I can say number of proton is less than number of electron. And how much extra number of electron it is? It is only one electron extra. Now if I say this time more than that, say n number of electron, if n is of course greater than 1. N number of electron is gained, then it will form x to the power n minus. As many electrons are gained, that many negative charges obtained, and so this is the anion. So this is how cations and anions are obtained. So after this, let us try to solve these 3 to 4 questions which are there in your NCERT textbook. Let us see question number 10. An atom with an atomic number. So the moment it is atomic number, say this is Z with an atomic number of 26. has 56 nucleons. When I say nucleons, remember it is P plus N. And Z is equal to P. Z is always equal to number of proton present. Find out its number of electrons, protons and neutrons. अगर atomic number 26 है और अगर atomic number is equal to the number of protons, तो ये तो हम लोगों को मिल गया आंसर. Number of proton क्या होगा? 26 होगा, क्योंकि atomic number is 26. अब क्या है? Number of neutrons क्या है और number of electrons क्या है? न्यूक्लियॉन्स क्या है? प्रोटॉन प्लस न्यूट्रॉन. वो क्या है? इक्वल टू 56. प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स मिलके 56 है. तो इसमें नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स क्या होगा? नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स विल बी इक्वल टू 56 माइनस द नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन जो कि 26 है. तो 56 माइनस 26 कितना होता है? 30. So, number of neutrons is 30, number of proton is 26. अब number of electron क्या है? ये तो charged है नहीं, it is neutral atom. So, number of proton will be equal to the number of electron and so it will be 26. So, I hope it is clear how to solve this. Next, we can go to question number 11. It says the nucleus of an atom contains 20 proton. If its mass number means capital A. And what is that? Number of proton plus number of neutron is 41. Find the number of neutron in it. So mass number is 41. Proton number is 20. So we can say 20 plus N is equal to 41. So here from this you can find out easily what is N. 41 minus 20, obviously. So I hope this is also clear how to solve. Next, moving on to question number 12. An atom has 18 neutrons. Number of neutron is 18. And atomic number equal to 17. That is Z, which is equal to number of proton. What is its mass number? Now, mass number A is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. Now, number of proton is equal to the atomic number. So, we will say 17. Number of neutron is already provided plus 18. Now, basic mathematics you should be good with, because if division, multiplication, addition, subtraction में गलती होता है, then you very easily lose marks. These are the basic things. Now, next question. An atom which is given this symbol, okay, A to the power 23. कैसा है? ऐसा लिखा है. A to the power 23 has 11 electrons. How many electrons are there? 11. इसके बारे में मुझे ये बताना है कि जब भी कोई सिंबल लिखना होता है, सपोज द सिंबल इज लाइक दिस, x. x is an element. When I'm writing the symbol and if it is electrically neutral, then यहाँ पे सबस्क्रिप्ट में होता है एटॉमिक नंबर, सुपरस्क्रिप्ट में होता है मास नंबर. इसको बोला जाता है सबस्क्रिप्ट. दिस इज कॉल्ड सबस्क्रिप्ट. And this is the atomic number. And atomic number is equal to the number of proton. And this is known as superscript. And superscript में क्या है? मास नंबर है. और मास नंबर इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन प्लस न्यूट्रॉन. ये इसका कॉन्सेप्ट है. अगर ये आयनिक हुआ तो इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? इसको ऐसे लिखेंगे, Z है, A है और यहाँ पे आयंस, अगर कैटायन है तो N प्लस, और अगर एनायन है तो उसका सिंबल क्या होगा? जितना नेगेटिव चार्ज है उसको ऐसे लिखेंगे. दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ अ कैटायन, दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ एन एनायन. नाउ लेट अस गो बैक टू द क्वेश्चन. 13 says A23, this is the symbol, has 11 electrons. Find the number of neutrons in it. आपको ये दिखने में आ रहा है कि ये तो चार्ज्ड है नहीं, ना ही इसका पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, ना ही इसका क्या है, नेगेटिव चार्ज है. सो इट इज नाइदर अ कैटायन नॉर एन एनायन, इट्स न्यूट्रल. When it is neutral, then 11 electron means it is equal to the number of proton as well. 11 electron and 11 proton. Why? Because this atom is electrically neutral. So number of proton is equal to number of electron. Now find the number of neutron. ये 23 कहाँ पे लिखा है? ये superscript में लिखा है. Now just now I said कि superscript में क्या होता है? मास नंबर होता है. क्या होता है? सुपरस्क्रिप्ट में मास नंबर. और व्हाट इज मास नंबर? इट इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन प्लस नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन. सो इसके हिसाब से वी कैन से चलो नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन प्लस नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन एज पर द क्वेश्चन इज 23. So if I say the atom is electrically neutral, the number of electron and proton is same and it is equal to 11, then I will say P is equal to number of electron is equal to 11. Now number of neutron will be 23 minus P, which is equal to 23 minus 11. So this is how you are going to solve the last question. So please keep your checklist ready. What all things you have learned, go to the description portion of the video and get to see whether you have actually understood the parts which are explained. So bye all of you. See you in the next video.